Yes, you can increase your income not only by 2 times but even by 10 times. You can do that. And the best part is, if you think that you will have to work 10 times more than what you used to work to increase your income by 10 times, then that is wrong. You can actually increase your income by 10 times by working the same amount of time that you have been working. Surprised how this is possible? Hey friends, this is Savan Kumar, and today I will tell you the secret of doubling your income, or maybe even tripling your income, or maybe even increasing your income by 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. Yes, you can increase your income not only by 2 times but even by 10 times. You can do that. And the best part is, if you think that you will have to work 10 times more than what you used to work to increase your income by 10 times, then that is wrong. You can actually increase your income by 10 times by working the same amount of time that you have been working. Surprised how this is possible? Am I being a little weird? Am I speaking some kind of a nonsense? That by spending the same amount of time you can earn 10 times the money? How is that even possible? You have been trying to do that all your life. You have been trying to work hard, you have been trying to work more number of hours, but you haven't been able to benefit. Your income has always remained the same. So how am I saying that by working this for the same amount of time, you can not only increase your income 2 times, but you can actually increase your income by 10 times? How is that possible? You have the answer to it. I'll just ask you a few questions and you will see that you already have the answer to it. Okay, tell me, have you ever complained that your organization does not pay you well? Have you ever spoken with your friends or your colleagues that I do not get paid well for the amount of work or amount of effort that I put in? Most of us do. When we work, when we are into a job, or when we are working for a client, we have these complaints that my client does not pay me well, my company does not pay me well, my organization does not pay me well. But tell me one thing, if you are in a job, the company that you are working in, and if you are drawing, let's say 50,000 a month, is it not true that in the same organization there is somebody who is also drawing 80,000 a month, and there is also somebody who is drawing 100,000 a month, or maybe even 200,000 a month, or maybe 500,000 a month? Do you not have such people in your organization? And also there are people who are not even able to make 10,000 a month. You have all those kinds of people, right? And all of those people are almost putting in the same amount of time. So what is really different? What is different from somebody who is getting paid by about 10,000 a month to somebody like you who is getting paid by 50,000 a month, and somebody who gets paid 500,000 a month? What is the difference? The time that anybody is putting in, everybody has the same 24 hours, and you are working for maybe 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 hours a day, not more than that for sure. So what differentiates? If you understand the difference, you can increase your income by 10 times. In the same organization, you can increase your income by 10 times. See, this is about the value that you create. This is not about the time that you give. You are not being paid for the time that you are giving in the organization. This is a very bad conclusion that we come out with, that we get paid for the time that we give. No, we do not get paid for the time that we give. We get paid for the value we create. A peon or a security guard is getting paid for the value he is creating for the organization. You are getting paid for the value that you are creating for the organization. And a CEO or a CFO or a director, whoever it is getting paid for the value that he is creating for the organization. Nobody in the system is getting paid for the time he is giving. No, you are not getting paid for the time that you are giving. Even though you are clocking, charging every single minute of the time that you spend, you are not getting paid for the time that you are giving. Be very clear about this in your mind. You are getting paid for who you are and what value you create in your company, in the system that you work for, not the time that you give in there. So what is the way to increase it 10 times? It is when the company pays you for who you are and the value that you create, so you can easily increase your income if you increase the value that you create for the company, right? That won't happen by working for more number of hours. Most of us end up working madly for a lot number of hours, thinking that I would get paid more, but it is not going to happen. Because at the end of the day, you are creating the same amount of value, because you are not changing. You are remaining to be the same person who it was. So you do not change. You only are adding more hours to the work. So that is not creating more value for the organization. That is a very subjective thing. But you have to understand, if you want to earn 10 times of what you are working today, you have to create 10 times the value than what you are creating today. You have to become 10 times more valuable for the organization than you are today. And this is not going to happen by working 10 times more. You won't be able to work for 80 hours in a day. If you are working for 8 hours in a day today, you are not going to be able to, in any situation, be able to work for 80 hours in a day. But what you can do is, you can definitely increase the value that you create by 10 times, by 20 times, by 100 times. And you can increase the value you create. Just listen to this very carefully. You can increase the value by investing in yourself, by becoming a better person, by improving the skills, by upgrading the skills, by knowing more of what you can, so that the next time you go to work, the value that you create is more than what you created yesterday. So that the organization realizes that Mr. XYZ, Mr. Anil or Mr. Ashish or Mr. Alan is creating 10 times more value than what he was creating a year back. And when the moment the organization realizes that, you automatically start making 10 times more than what you were creating yesterday or a year back. You do not have to then wait for that. The moment you start creating more value for the organization, you would automatically start getting paid more. You would never ever get paid more just because you are spending or putting in more number of hours. You won't. You will get paid more when you create more value to the system. When you bring in more value to the organization is when you paid more, when you get paid more. So this was the small and a simple trick about doubling your income, tripling your income, or maybe even 10xing your income. No matter whether you are in business or you are in a job, wherever you are. If you are in a business, you have to increase the value 10 times for your client, and you will see automatically that the client is now willing to pay you 10 times more than what he previously paid you. Maybe not every client would be ready to pay you that, but then you would start getting clients who are ready to pay you 10 times more. And then why would you be working with the previous ones who do not value your work, or the previous organization that did not value your work? The moment you start creating more value, you will automatically get people who appreciate that value. You do not need to go and search for them. You will not need to go and look for them. They will come to you looking for you. You just need to create more value. Once you create more value, it attracts like a magnet people who respect value, people who need that kind of a value. So you do not need to bother about that. You only need to focus on improving your skills, upgrading your skills in your personal development. When you do this, you automatically increase your income multiple times. I hope this answers, and if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to get in touch with me and I'll be happy to help you with the same. Until then, have a great and a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.